Drive like a pro, think, react, drive smart. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will check how well you know traffic rules. I have prepared for you some interesting and slightly tricky traffic situations that any driver can face. So get comfortable, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And at the end of the video, write in the comments how many right answers you got. You are driving on a wide highway with several lanes in the same direction. Instead of relying only on roadside signs, this roadway uses overhead lane control signals. These signals are positioned directly above each lane so drivers can instantly see whether a lane is open, restricted, or completely closed. As traffic moves forward, you notice a steady red X illuminated above one of the lanes ahead. Even if traffic seems light and the lane appears clear, this signal gives you a clear legal instruction that cannot be ignored. Question: this steady red X signal over a lane on a highway indicates that. Answer 1. You must stop in this lane. Answer 2. You must not drive in this lane. Answer 3. You must drive only in this lane. Answer 4. You may use this lane. Correct answer: you must not drive in this lane. In-depth explanation. A steady red X is one of the strongest traffic control signals used on highways. It means the lane is closed to all traffic and must not be used for driving, stopping, or passing. This signal is typically used in high-risk situations where allowing vehicles to enter the lane could result in serious crashes. Why lanes are closed with a red X? A lane may display a steady red X for several critical reasons. Road construction or maintenance workers. Equipment or uneven pavement may be present in the lane. Traffic accidents ahead. Emergency vehicles may be blocking the lane, or debris may still be on the roadway. Reversible lane control. In some areas, lanes change direction depending on traffic flow. A red X prevents vehicles from entering a lane that may soon carry traffic in the opposite direction. Bridges, tunnels, or narrow roadways. Space may be limited and lane closures help control traffic safely. Why you must leave the lane immediately. Driving in a lane marked with a red X is extremely dangerous because other drivers do not expect vehicles to be in that lane. Emergency or construction vehicles may enter suddenly. Traffic may be approaching head-on in reversible lanes. There may be no shoulder or escape space available. For these reasons, you should signal early, check your mirrors and blind spots, and move into an open lane as soon as it is safe to do so. Why the other answers are wrong: you must stop in this lane. Stopping in a closed lane can block emergency access and increase the risk of rear-end collisions. You must drive only in this lane. This instruction would be shown by a green arrow, not a red X. You may use this lane. A red X never permits lane use under normal driving conditions. Important comparison to remember: green arrow to lane is open and safe to use. Yellow X to lane is about to close. Prepare to move. Red X to lane is closed. Do not use. Final safety reminder: always obey overhead lane signals immediately. Even if the lane looks empty, the danger may not be visible yet. These signals exist to protect drivers, workers, and emergency responders. Final answer: you must not drive in this lane. Let's look at a next situation. The image shows a passenger vehicle passing a large truck on a roadway and then moving back into the same lane in front of it. This is a very common situation on highways and multi-lane roads. Even though the road looks clear and the pass may feel quick from a car driver's perspective, large vehicles behave very differently than cars because of their size and weight. Question: you must maintain a constant speed when passing and re-entering the lane in front of trucks or buses, since trucks and buses require. Answer 1. Longer distances to slow down than cars. Answer 2. Less time to stop than cars. Answer 3. Less room to maneuver than cars. Answer 4. Shorter distances to slow down than cars. Correct answer: longer distances to slow down than cars. Why this rule exists, the physics behind it. 1. Trucks are extremely heavy. A fully loaded truck or bus can weigh 20 to 30 times more than a passenger car. Because of this, they have much more momentum. Once moving, they resist slowing down. Even with powerful brakes, physics limits how quickly they can stop. 2. Braking distance is much longer. At highway speeds, a car can usually stop within a relatively short distance. A truck may need 2 or 3 times more space to slow down or stop. If a car pulls in front of a truck and then reduces speed, the truck driver may not have enough distance to react safely. 3. Trucks cannot brake suddenly. Sudden braking in a large vehicle can cause jackknifing, loss of control, cargo shifting, rear-end collisions. That's why truck drivers rely heavily on predictable traffic behavior around them. Why maintaining a constant speed is critical. When you pass a truck and move back into its lane, speed changes force the truck to react. Slowing down immediately increases collision risk. A steady speed allows the truck driver to adjust gradually. Maintaining your speed gives a truck driver the time and space they need to respond safely. How to do this correctly in real life. When passing a truck or bus, 1. Signal clearly before changing lanes. 2. Pass at a steady, consistent speed. 3. Do not cut back in too closely. 4. Make sure you can see the entire front of the truck in your rearview mirror. 5. Continue at the same speed after returning to the lane. Only slow down after you've created plenty of space. Why the other answers are wrong: less time to stop than cars. This is incorrect. Trucks take more time, not less, to stop. Less room to maneuver than cars. While true in general, this does not explain why you must maintain constant speed when pulling back in front of them. Shorter distances to slow down than cars. This is the opposite of reality. Trucks need much longer distances. Big picture safety takeaway. Cutting in front of a truck and slowing down is one of the most dangerous mistakes drivers make. Maintaining speed after passing helps prevent rear-end crashes, panic braking, chain reaction collisions. Final answer: longer distances to slow down than cars. Let's look at the next situation. You are approaching an urban intersection with clearly marked lanes and a regulatory lane use control sign posted on the right side of the road. Traffic is moving normally, and drivers must choose the correct lane before reaching the intersection. The sign uses arrows and the word "only," which means the movements shown are mandatory. Lane use control signs help organize traffic and prevent dangerous last-second lane changes. Question: what does this sign indicate? Answer 1. Vehicles in the left lane must turn left, and vehicles in the right lane must merge left. Answer 2. Vehicles in the left lane must turn left, and vehicles in the right lane may go straight or turn right. Answer 3. Vehicles in the left lane must turn left, and vehicles in the right lane must go straight. Answer 4. Vehicles in the left lane must turn left, and vehicles in the right lane must turn right. Correct answer. Vehicles in the left lane must turn left, and vehicles in the right lane may go straight or turn right. Detailed explanation. This is a lane use control sign that assigns specific movements to each lane. Left lane. The left turn arrow with the word "only" means drivers in this lane must turn left. No other movement is allowed. Right lane, 2 arrows are shown, 1 straight, 1 right. There is no "only" under a single direction. This means drivers may either go straight or turn right, while the other options are incorrect. Merge left, there is no merge symbol, must go straight. The sign also allows a right turn, must turn right. A straight arrow is also shown. Summary: the left lane is left turn only. The right lane allows 2 options, straight or right. Final answer: vehicles in the left lane must turn left, and vehicles in the right lane may go straight or turn right. Subscribe and never miss traffic rules lessons.